Building a successful business is no easy feat. It requires dedication, determination, and more than a little bit of luck. Welcome to RJ's Corner. We're here to provide you with the information, resources, and tools you need to make your business run smoothly. Whether you're looking for a new opportunity or just want to know what's going on in the industry, we've got you covered. If you follow these 6 tips, you'll be well on your way to building the business of your dreams. Building a successful business takes more than just hard work and determination. It takes planning and strategy. I've built several businesses over the years, and I've learned some important lessons about what it takes for a company to succeed. These 6 tips have helped me build strong businesses that last. Number 1 on the list. Know your vision and purpose for your product or service and use it to guide everything you do. Your vision and purpose is the driving force behind every business. If you don't know what makes your business unique, then how can you develop a strategy to grow it? A good vision and purpose statement answers these questions. So make yourself one. Ask yourself these questions. Why does this company exist? What are we trying to accomplish? Who are our customers and why do they need us? Are there other companies that do similar things but better? If so, why should customers choose us instead of them? Number 2 on the list. Surround yourself with talented people who are smarter than you and truly care about what you're trying to build. You can't do it all on your own. The best way to grow a business is by hiring great people and giving them the freedom to do their job, even if that means they sometimes ignore or overturn your ideas. Number 3 on the list. Focus on building a business with a bright future, not just getting rich quick. If you're ready to start a business, the first thing you should do is figure out your goals. What do you want to accomplish? What do you want your life to look like in 5 years? We'll cover all of this and more in this section, but before we get too deep into things, build an empire with your eyes on the future, not just trying to make a quick buck. A sustainable business model is one that can adapt as needed while still maintaining its core purpose over time. Think about it like building a house. If every year someone knocks down one wall or adds another room without any thought for how those changes will affect other parts of the house, eventually it won't hold up under pressure anymore because nothing was properly integrated together or built with enough strength. The same goes for businesses. If one part tries to change too much from what made it successful in the first place or has no strategy for keeping up with its competitors' innovations, then eventually everything will fall apart under its weight, and good luck rebuilding after that happens. Number 4 on the list. Develop a game plan. If you want to be successful, it's important that you know what you need to do first. A plan will help you keep track of all the steps involved in your business or event, and make sure everything is done on time. To develop your own plan, follow these steps. Research the market and competition. Brainstorm ideas for how to market your product or service. Create a timeline. Number 5 on the list. Develop a website. If you are like most people, you are probably asking yourself the following questions. What is a website? And why do I need one? First, let's take a look at what exactly a website is. A website is an online presence for your company that includes information about who you are and what services or products you offer. It also allows visitors to your site to contact you directly through various methods. The benefits of having a website include: your potential customers will know more about what it is that makes your business different than other companies offering similar products or services. Potential customers can visit this page anytime they want without needing to schedule an appointment with someone in order to learn more. And you can use this section as another medium where potential clients can find out more information about what makes your business special, like a mission statement. Number 6 on the list. Research your market. The first step to success is for you to know your market. You need to know who buys the product, how they buy it, and what they want. The more you know about the people that will be buying your product, the easier it will be for you to get them interested in buying from you instead of your competitors. In addition to researching what is currently being sold in this market area, research what products would be appealing to the consumer so that you can create something they will want. That way, when someone comes along asking where they can find some product, they might say, "Oh yeah, I heard about those. They're great. And there's this one place downtown that sells them, which is my business." A good plan, a good website, and good market research are essential elements to success. Building a business is hard work, but these rules will help your business succeed in the long term. If you want to start a business that will be successful, it's important to make sure you have the right tools. We hope this video has given you some helpful tips on how to start a successful business. You are the only person who can make yourself successful, so stay positive and don't let anyone bring you down. Please like and subscribe and share this video with anyone who might benefit from it.